So if you could get on one battery a drone to fly up supplies back and forth, that's going to make a huge difference for those islanders that want to
Absolutely.
live in those remote
Absolutely.
islands.
So we started testings for that for inner island deliveries out in Palau, and I believe it was also Ponape that we had done some testings, and the islanders welcome it. It is such a
Mm-hmm.
solution. And also, another thing is being able to protect, the waters, right? Our sea life, right? There's a lot of poaching, so also on a security standpoint, drones solve that problem. There's such a huge uh, solution to being able to protect our waters. So it's not just the
Mm-hmm.
delivery system, but being able to protect, um, the 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 areas that are highly poached, right? For as far as
Mm-hmm.
fishery. So we I love that the governments that we've reached out to has allowed us to do some testings out there have
Mm-hmm.
really welcomed the technology.